I've never played them. Don't know who they are.
He's Y.
No, I don't. No, not sure.
Why is Primo?
I would need to see that written in text in Discord to believe it.
Okay. Full focus. Full
Alright,
sweat.
keep in mind their objective
Okay.
at all times.
Yep. Okay, we can pull this back. I mean, by pull this back, I mean the rematch. So.
Scream uncontrollably the moment you go down.
Yep. More callouts. I will like. I don't know.
It's not a real mess if you don't get kicked out of the dorm.
Yeah.
I'm going to center, and then going to...
Yeah, like, communicate with Cheese and make sure, but, like, it usually doesn't matter.
I'm going to center, and then their mace.
Okay. Gloryboy's doing berries, which is I've never seen.
Really
He's
uncharacteristic.
throwing berries.
Yeah, very.
Yeah, I'm just.
Yeah, you up. Okay, you're up. Okay, cool. It's okay.
Good block.
They're getting a lot in right now. Be very careful.
Oh shit.
He's down, he's down.
I'm down. I'm down.
Check out their...
This is we need.
back
Yeah,
up.
okay. I'm taking the top one.
Alright, they have 3 left.
Oh shit, we went for the same one. Alright, we have 2 left.
Watch out, watch out.
Actually, in the lead. Okay, nice clear, nice clear. 1 left. It's okay.
Oh.
That's okay. That's okay. Keep ledging. Keep ledging.
No.
Keep going from the bottom. I'm gonna keep going from the top. Okay. Nice. Okay, it's gonna happen. Yeah. That throw was so hard, man. That one's awful.
Good job,
You
good job,
aren't
legend. Good job, legend.
Thank you.
Yeah, that went well. You pulled that back. Yeah.
Same opening, I'm going to center, and then I'm going to
Yes.
mace.
Are you
Yeah.
going? Which are you going to our mace or
I'm
their
going to
mace?
their mace after center. But if I lose, just go with berries.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright, I'm up. They got 3 berries in.
This is really good. Oh my god.
Clear their mace.
Good job.
I'm in their hives.
He's on last.
This is stupid. This is stupid.
It's okay. Sorry, I've been getting killed a lot. Okay, well or yeah, like that.
This is easy peasy.
Yeah, this should be just keep the ledging up, and we're gonna get this one in eventually.
Oh, I'm down. I'm down.
He's down. They have 4, 5, 6. Wow.
You gotta watch the replay on
Dude, I
that.
couldn't even finish
Did you
counting.
fucking see what I did? Oh my fucking god.
Dude, I couldn't even count the number of berries that they had in time for... You finished the berries before I could count.
Because we're actually good. It's
That-
what happens when we like try.
That might have been the best play I've ever done in my life.
Yeah, Devon killing
You have to see that.
I
No,
recorded it. So
I'm too loud, but
We need to rewatch it after this. And we're going to.
okay.
Alright, I'm going up. Snail.
got it.
Nice punish. Beautiful. Keep pushing Snail. I'm coming up on that gate. Okay, we're 2 up. I'm gonna control the center. Watch Lobster. Just be careful. He's gonna.
Oh shit, I'm down.
Nice. Okay, I'm down though. Watch the gun.
Oh, why didn't I just jump at me?
I'm up gun actually. I went for it. Is he memeing?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna butt shot then.
Why are you doing that?
Because we're playing microwave. Okay.
4, nice.
Why do we get 8 points and lose 10?
Perfect time to end.
Because this game's actually fucking terrible.
Are you sure you don't want to play one more?
Yeah, well, I want to